2026. That's why I got this message, which is yesterday. I got this message that my channel has met the monetization criteria and I can now monetize this channel over here. It says, hi Daily Riches, your channel is on the rise. You can now apply to join or to the YouTube partner program YPP. Start your application. So this is it. Now if I go to my YouTube studio over here and click on this end button, you could see that we have the apply button over here that I can apply. But if I scroll to the bottom side to this section, you can see that my channel is not up to 4,000 watch hours. Yes, if I take you straight to the analytics of this channel, and then if I am to wait, okay, if I take you to this section and click on the last 90 days, you can see that the last 90 days I was having 3.8k watch hours. Okay, so you can see right over here that there is a spike some days and some days are flat. So now before I'll go straight to today's video, I want to assure you that if you want the 4,000 watch hours, you can just hit up to me. I will leave my link in the description box, but that service does not come for free. At least you must pay at least $150 before you can get a 4,000 watch hours. Yes, this service does not come for free, and if you want to be my student, you can join that, and then I'm going to help you monetize your channel. I've done a lot for other people, but now that I have a lot of faceless channels, and now that I've gotten to this point that I need to monetize this channel because I've been working a lot on it. So that is it. And then if I take you straight to this section, you could see that some days I even got 1,000 watch hours and all those stuffs. So if I take you straight to this section over here with these two called vidIQ, okay, you could see that I have let me scroll back. All right, so you could see that at this section over here I have 4,390 watch hours on this channel. Okay, so this is the reason why my channel has gotten to the monetization threshold, and then I can now go ahead to apply. So if I apply right now, what is going to happen to my channel is that, first of all, I'm going to get all this monetization, membership, super, and then shopping on this channel. And then after that, when I get the 4,000 watch hours, you're going to add this ad revenue to my dashboard. This is the reason why this channel is about, I created this channel around 2019. So if I'm not wrong, if I go to my channel, go to your channel, okay, go to my channel right now, and then I go to details over here, you could see that, okay, let me mute the audio because if I go to this bottom the channel description, okay, if I go to the channel description right over here and then go straight to the section over here, this channel was created in 2019. Okay, this channel was basically created in 2019, and then that's April 7th 2019, and that was when YouTube updated their section that if you have 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you can get monetized. Yes, that was when that I even made a video about that on this channel. I don't know whether I've deleted that video or it's still available on the channel. Yes, that was when YouTube updated that. So since then, the that update was still on my channel. Yes, that's the reason why I have 3,000 watch hours, and still I can apply for the YouTube partner program, so that whenever I reach the 4,000 watch hours, YouTube is going to add that to me as a full monetized channel. So I think I was having that video over here. I don't know whether I've deleted that or not. Yes, so that is that. If you want to get a 4,000 watch hour, like I say, you can check the comment section of this video, the pin comment section, and then the description of this video to for my number. Hit me up on WhatsApp, and then I'm going to help you, or I'm going to help you fix that to get your channel monetized in week or two. Yes, I can guarantee you with that, because this it does not after giving you that, the watch hours will never drop, so that your channel will be demonetized. Now let's go back to this section over here. if I scroll, let me go to your YouTube Studio. Before I will apply to that, there are basic things that you need to check on your channel before you can apply for YouTube monetization. Yes, there are basic things. So I've heard a lot of people saying after they got monetized, their channels were being deleted and then were demonetized. These are the basic things, and the petty things. Those people do not take them serious, but it's still hurting their channels. Why am I doing that? If you go to this section where it says content section, okay, if you click on the content section, one thing you need to know, or you need to check very well, is if your channel is having copyright or copyrighted content. So if I click on that and filter out by copyright right over here, you could see that none of my video has this copyright, because I do record them by myself. I don't have anybody helping me out. I do record all these videos by myself. Nobody, no external person. I do not do collaboration. I do not upload anything. All the audios and everything that I use on this channel belongs to me. Yes, and if you go to shorts section, short is normally the videos that always bring copyright. I don't have short, and live streams was my video, my own video. And then podcast, I don't use post. Normally I don't post. And then playlist over here, this is it. Podcast, I don't do podcast. I don't do collaborations and all those stuff. So this is going to help me get the 90% probability of getting monetized to on YouTube, right? This is basically the things. And after that, you need to go to the settings tab over here. The settings tab is very important. Now what you're going to do is go to this channel section. Okay, so the channel location, the residence is in Ghana. Okay, before you apply, you need to check this, and then you must change the location from wherever it is. Most people set their location to US and all those stuff. It does not necessarily based on that, but when you are trying to apply for YouTube partner program, you just have to bring that to your local country. And then advanced section, you can see over here that I've set that, but the features eligibility over here, you must make sure all these are being turned on before you can apply for YouTube partner program. This is it. And then tomorrow, when I reach the 4,000 watch hours, I'm going to apply that straightforward to show you guys how to apply for YouTube partnership program. I have just 3,000 watch hours and 1,600 and 30 subscribers, but I can now apply to YouTube partner program. This is it. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and then I'll give an update of that in my next video. Stay safe.